Got the whole crew?
He's catching fish today, man.
Say hi. All right.
Morning.
That's a red.
It's a red.
Nice.
Nice.
Good job, John.
Little one.
All right. It's a snook. Good job, John.
Really? Watch it. Right over under that tree, right where you told me to go.
Nice little snooky.
Yeah.
Small one.
They're still fun to catch. Oh, it's just, that's what we're doing right now to me is just, I'm in heaven.
A little baby snooky.
Man, could have been a little bigger, dude. Way to go, Broadster.
There, you got yours. You got a snapper. Oh, he fell off. Keep the rod still. Just keep the rod still and reel.
Where is he?
Snapper.
All right.
Isn't that mine?
Yeah, that's a little. That's what's stealing all the shrimp. These little guys.
Shrimp's in. You're here to eat the shrimp, right? Oh, you didn't go.
I'm gonna do the same thing. I'll let you hold the pole this time. You two want to be fit. Already? Oh, you got a big one?
Yeah.
A bigger snapper.
Go, yeah.
That's a keeper.
That's a good one.
That might be 10 inches.
Is it? Is it?
It might be close to 10 inches.
What is it?
It is 9.8 inches.
Can you still keep it?
Gotta be a tiny bit bigger. Oop.
Imagine I hook him again.
Let me see your hook. You just miss a big one, John?
It hit. It was something good.
The mud minnows usually get the bigger fish.
So I'm in the lead, right? Who's in the lead?
Oh, are we keeping points?
Yeah, points.
Uh-oh.
Where's the fish? So am I in the lead?
Well, John caught 2 game fish, so those would be more points than a snapper.
I know, but
So I would say
it's a keeper.
it's 5 points if it's a keeper, 2 points for a game fish, 1 point for a regular fish. So you'd have 2 points, John would have 4 points. See, that's how you hook them. Did he fall off?
No.
No, he's still swimming. Yep, good job, Brody. They're out fishing everyone.
That's not a keeper at all.
You got Bob's line.
Yep. There we go.
Yeah, but it's still a point. You got 3 points.
Hook. Measure it.
He's 7 inches.
7?
Fish? Yeah, so when they eat it, you want to kind of just like slowly pull. And if it's not big enough to get hooked, then you don't want them anyways.
Right. Yeah.
Good job, Brody. You got 4 points. That thing's tiny. The snapper will probably killing your mud minnow. That's why I try to keep them up in the trees away from the snapper.
Gotcha.
No fish.
You got 4 points. Yeah, that's bigger.
That one took it down good.
Good job, Brody.
I got a big one.
Who's that fishing? Uh-oh, we gotta get the work up here.
5 points. Brody's in the lead. All right, bring him over here.
But I'm
Is that a keeper?
No,
What?
they're too small. I
What?
thought it was bigger.
5 points, right?
Yeah, you're at 5. You're in first place.
And Bob's in.
Yep.
And how many fish do you have?
I think he's got 1 point.
Bob, you need to catch him for some more fish.
Well, he needs to go back to shrimp because the mud minnows aren't working anymore.
For me?
Well, the mud minnows only work when the big fish are here, but we might have spooked them all or caught the only 2 game fish in here. The game fish are smarter, so they're harder to catch.
Justin literally hates this spot, but today it's not really going to look good. So
got bites.
yeah, got some bites, but not much. Right now I'm in the lead. We're basically doing a fishing contest with Justin, Uncle Bob,
Hey.
and Papa, his name's John.
Hey, Brody.
So
They ain't biting.
Where are the fish, dude?
yeah, what Justin said is basically true. But so what are we going for, Justin?
Waiting on the tide to come in. trying to catch some trout while we wait for it.
Yep. I've been fishing a little bit. I think I'm the lead in the contest. I have I think 7. And he's got 6. And how many do you have, Justin?
None.
Yeah, he has 0. And then Uncle Bob, how many do you have?
1.
1 fish caught.
Yeah, terrible.
So it ain't terrible, but still, it's pretty bad.
Man.
And you just lost the fish, I think. So yeah.
Come on, Brody, get out here and net him. Snap in action. It's a good fish. You ready, Brody?
I'm ready.
Let's see the netting skills.
I don't know.
That's a drum. Net him. Yeah, it's what we're after.
Oh, that's a big one.
Get him, Brody.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Brody, scoop him.
Get under him. Get under him. There you go. You got him. You got him.
You guys got dinner now.
We caught one.
Sure.
Nice little drum.
I'm gonna hold him.
Brody net. He's coming under you, John. Get the net, Brody.
He's coming around the back. Okay.
Start dragging him that way.
Okay.
That's a drum. That's a nice drum. That's a big one.
Nice, big one.
Good one.
Get him real fast.
Don't lose him. Nice fish.
This is a big buddy.
Brody, pay attention. Down under. There you go. Up. There you go.
Good job, Brody.
Okay, so what are you doing different?
Good job, Brody.
Bring it over.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
You happy, Brody? You caught a fish? How do you feel?
Good.
Look at that fishy.
You going? You don't want me to
No.
Brody, snap in action.
I do.
Brody, come get the net. Get him, Brody.
This one feels different. This one's fighting constantly. This.
Oh, that's a drum. I see him.
Me too.
Look at it, Brody. Look at that
You
thing.
ready?
I'm ready.
Scoop hard and aggressive.
There he is.
All right, get down.
To
Get
your
low.
left. To your
Scoop
left. Right
him.
there. Get him. Okay, I'm coming back. Okay, down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Okay,
Brody, net.
there you go.
That seems really choppy for a drum. It looks like a big snapper. Oh, it's a sheephead.
Let's go. She
Hey,
hurt.
good job, Brody.
Oh, she's
Yeah, if
Baby.
your granddad had just let it stay in the net.
Tiny little sheephead. Ugh.
yeah, real.
It's a big fish.
Big, how big?
Hold up here. There you go. Keep it up.
Keep it up.
Let's send this one to your mom.
Oh.
Go, Brody.
Go, Brody. Go, Brody.
Big fish. Keep him off the bottom. That's a big one. Keep your rod tip up. Good job, Brody. Is that a big one?
We're gonna break the rod.
No, he's not. Get him up, Brody. Don't let him on the bottom. Keep him up. John got one? Double up. Double up with John and Brody. Brody's got a huge fish.
No, I got something on the top. Grunt, catfish,
Puffer.
fish, puffer fish.
Do you need help, Brody?
Look at the size
Oh,
of that
Brody,
thing.
that's a big one.
That's huge. Yeah, here, let me just get this down.
Hey, just leave it. Go help him. It's a 3-man job.
Here, John.
Somebody net that fish. Go, Brody. Brody, that's the biggest one, Brody.
Way to go, dude. Look at that baby.
Look at that sucker.
Look at this puffer fish.
Brody gonna be YouTube famous.
The drum?
Yep. Oh, hold on, let me loosen the drag. Hold up here higher. Now lift the rod tip. There you go. There you go. Good fish.
Where'd you go?
I got it. I got it. Go, Brody! That's a good fish.
Not ready?
Yeah, I'm getting ready. That's another good drum.
Yeah.
Don't hit me in the face.
Up.
Lift it. Good job.
Good job, Brody. You're getting good at that, man.
Good job.
Man, you landed a couple good ones there, dude. Look at
Is that a
that.
keeper?
Yeah, they're all keepers. It's a little small, but he's a good one. No catfish. Don't say that yet. No, that's fighting like a drum. I don't know. It's a little iffy.
Drum.
It is a drum.
It's right there.
Little guy. That's a baby drum.
Yeah.
Jeez. That one we gotta measure. Isn't that?
I know where they are and I got them now. I got the little spot.
It's getting windy.
Let's see what it is.
Hop down.
It's another one.
Get him, Brody. Get him. Get down low, Brody.
Get down low. There you
Scoop
go.
him. There you go.
got it.
Yeah, that's a 5-pointer. Get him in the boat. Good job.
So, how many does he have?
That's number 13.
How many does he have?
Be able to come up right now and see, so just don't worry.
Got him.
There you go. Okay.
That?
It's a little guy. It's a baby.
Little one.
Yep.
Not a baby.
But there might be a school of them.
That thing's huge.
It's a baby redfish. I don't need a net.
That's a keeper, isn't it?
No.
I thought that's at least 10 inches.
They gotta be 18.
Justin, save.
That was a good fish.
With the same name as already
What happened with
existed.
I don't know, he just let go. I felt him swim. Oh, he's got it. There he goes. Got him.
Wow.
That's a black drum.
Yeah.
Baby. See how I finessed him?
These are totally red.
It's a windy one out here.
It really is. It's like a waypoint on the thing. I know how to do it.
Yeah.
I put a picture of redfish.
So you know how to use the Simrad now?
Yeah, so it's power for red and then black and red.
So we saw some black drum and redfish. Actually, we caught a black drum and a redfish, didn't we?
Yeah, so we named it black and red.
Pretty cool.
So I'm
Gonna be a little fisherman.
I'm running shotgun in the tower. So
Yeah, it's pretty cool being way up here, isn't it?
yeah.
Look how everyone's way down there.
That island looks like a forest, like a jungle.
It's getting windy. No, it's still a fun day.